Good day, class. Today we will be looking at functions. This is a topic you would have seen before, whether it was in Math 1 or Math 2, alright? So I am just going to review briefly what functions are all about and how you can represent a function symbolically. Yes? Now, I have a mapping diagram, or what you would call an arrow diagram. And X is a set of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this set that we call X contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes? And this set is mapped onto this set. Yes? Or each value in this set has been assigned to each matching value in this set. Yes? Now this set of numbers is called Y. Yes? And Y is a set that contains 3, 5, 7, 8, and an unknown number. I see a mistake right here. I should have 9 right here. So that's a 9. All right. So that's my mistake. All right. That's a 9. All right. So Y is a set that contains 3, 5, 7, and 9, and an unknown value. Yes. Now, I want for you to take a minute and you are going to create a formula that contains X. When you use this formula, it would take 1 and give you 3. It would take 2 and give you 5. It would take 3 and give you 7. It would take 4 and give you 9. So I want you to take a minute and think about what formula containing X would take each of these numbers and give us these numbers. Yes? So you can pause the video at this stage and try to think about what formula containing X would take 1 and give me 3, 2 and give me 5, 3 and give me 7, 4 and give me 9. Yes? So you can pause the video and think about it. Okay? Alright. If you have paused the video and you thought about what formula that should be, the formula would actually be 2x plus 1. Yes? Let's see if it works. Alright? When x is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Yes? When x in our formula is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Alright? when x is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Yes. When x is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. So our formula works. Now, what if I choose to call this formula f? All right. I chose to call the formula f. Yes. Okay, sorry for that interruption. All right. So, as I was saying, if I decided to call this formula f, all right, that's the name I decided to give this formula. Yes. I could have given it I could have used a word to name this formula. I could call this formula beautiful. I could give it the name beautiful. All right. But if I chose to use a letter to name this formula, I could choose the letter F. All right. So I chose to call the name of this formula F. All right. Now, I can go further and say that because X is in my formula, I can represent that information this way. All right. All right. So what this means is the name of my formula is F. F is the name of my formula, and X is in my formula. All right. That's what it means. All right. Now, let me continue. F of x is the formula 2x plus 1. All right. Based on what we have been saying so far, f of x is 2x plus 1. All right. Now in math, we don't have to say is. We can say equal. All right. So f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. All right. So I hope that you see the progression of this presentation. All right. I am showing you what this means. What this means. All right. It means that we have a formula, or you can call this a rule. All right. A rule or formula. Yes. So we have a rule that we call f, and x is in our rule. All right. All right. But I've shown you where this is coming from. All right. Now, notice that I have a missing value here, And if I should ask you, what do you think this number should be? And I know that many of you would tell me that it should be 11. All right? It should be 11. All right? So 11 is the number. All right? Now you can actually use our function f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 to get the same value. All right? So let me show you. All right.